Public Approval Act, this particular chief officer, nobody has disputed his appointment. Nobody has said here, the governor, the witnesses, nobody has said that Kenneth Mwiti Ryungu has not been appointed or does not discharge the functions of the chief officer. This evidence has been produced. We do submit that the appointment has been produced, the evidence of the appointment has been produced in form of the letter dated 23rd August 2023, which contain a list of appointments which the governor made. And in that list, you will see the name of Kenneth Ryungu being appointed as a chief officer. The County Assembly of Meru has never vetted this particular individual, and this particular individual still discharges the functions of a chief officer in Meru. This is a violation of Section 45 of the County Government Act. The other appointment was the acting appointment of chief officers. Mr. Speaker, the same letter contains the names of several chief officers who were appointed. That is Edwin Mutuma Murangiri, Kenneth Gitobu Nikata. These were appointed as acting chief officers without the requisite competitive recruitment and recommendations by the County Public Service Board. Evidence has been produced in form of a memo by the County Public Service Board warning the chief officers against making acting appointments without the authority of the County Public Service Board. And the County Public Service Board in the same letter, in the same memo, says any appointments made without the approval or without the authority of the County Public Service Board, such appointments shall be null and void. These individuals, the governor has admitted that these were directors. We found them there as directors and they appointed them as acting chief officers. Mr. Speaker, I've never, in my brief history in life, that is, I've never seen a director being appointed a permanent, that is a principal secretary. In case there's a vacancy in the office of a principal secretary, one of the principal secretaries doubles in that particular office, because the appointment for that particular office is special and specific. You cannot pluck in an individual from the ground and you make that particular individual an acting chief officer. So this one is a demonstration that the governor usurped the powers of the County Public Service Board and made this illegal and irregular appointments. Of course, there was the issue of appointment of traffic marshals. That violation has been demonstrated. The County Public Service Board, in their letters, they are very clear that they have not approved such appointments. They have demonstrated the same, but in the bundle of document, you can see the same traffic marshals wearing uniform, riding motorcycles, and the governor posting on WhatsApp that these are going to be the frontline officers to make Meru the next city. Who appointed them? The governor circumvented the powers and functions of the County Public Service Board and by herself appointed these particular individuals. The other appointment, the other violation was in regard to with regard to sending the 4 CEOs of the corporation, that is the parastatals in Meru. That is Dr. Ntoiti, the CEO of County Revenue Board, Paul Mwaki, who testified here, the CEO of Liquor Board, Kenneth Kimathi, the Managing Director. These are CEO of statutory corporations. They're employees of the boards. They're not the employees of the governor. What the governor did, through the county secretary, of course, they were sent on compulsory leave with pay. It only took the intervention of court after 1 year. That's when they have resumed their duties. The boards are the ones which recruit. The boards are the ones with the statutory powers to suspend or exercise disciplinary control over their CEOs. It is not the governor crossing over. I've never seen it in this country where a head of a parastatal, the CEO of a parastatal, when there is a duly constituted board, is sent home by State House. Maybe this one is new. The other one, the other violation is this particular one. Those are the violations. We do submit that this is the second time the governor is still being accused of usurping the powers and functions of the board. And with respect to Count 4, Speaker, we do submit that